Every commercial bank lender knows, unless you meet all their guidelines, it's literally impossible for you to get approved for a business loan. So how do you know what the banks and other lenders want to see? What are they looking for? And how do you know which things to fix in your business so you can actually get approved? Not theoretically, not generally, but specifically what needs to happen for your business to get there? And how likely is it that you will get there? How do you overcome the issues that are specific to your situation that are causing your loan app to be denied? How do you know what to do so you look good on paper and so the bank underwriter approves you for the financing that you need to grow or save your business? And how do you do all that without putting yourself or your company at a big risk or without adding any extra stress? Because a banker is not going to sit down and teach you what to do or show you every area where you're falling short. If you'd like to know the answer, I want to share with you a new and different process that takes you from where you are right now and gets you fully qualified for the most affordable business loans out there, period. Regardless of how many times you've been turned down in the past, regardless of how many financial issues or credit issues that you think you may have, or regardless of how stuck you may feel right now. Bold statement, I know. But this new and unique process is being used by small business owners all over the spectrum, and it's taking them from being denied and frustrated and hopeless and getting them fully approved for the money they need in a matter of months, giving them tremendous hope and relief and confidence about their future. From carpet cleaners to beauty salon owners, all the way to construction companies and landscapers. Folks like Myron Dorshek, who not only got the money to get his business out of a tough spot, but he also got approved for a new tree cutting vehicle that helped him grow his company by 3 times. And Jamie Klotsky, who was able to get a loan to renovate and expand her salon, which attracted tons of new customers, nearly doubling her business. Now it's your turn. Click the link below if you're on desktop, or in the top corner if you're on mobile, and you'll be brought to a page that looks like this, where you can enter your details, and you'll get instant access to a brand new free training walking you through this whole process in full. The real secret behind this process is how it gets all your numbers, all your ratios, and all your documents aligned to the bank's guidelines to match exactly what they want to see. Doing that removes all the red flags in your loan application. And fact is, when you meet every last one of the bank's requirements, they have no choice but to give you the loan, which means you now have the cash or line of credit to bounce you through any tight situation and allow you to fix things in your business. Or you can reinvest the money back into your company and give yourself the ability to increase your cash flow and create a better future, not only for your employees, but for you and your family as well. What you're about to discover is not theory. This process is working for all different types of small business owners who have all very different issues going on.
I've been doing tree work, my past history for 30 years now, but they've been, most of them rocky. We were looking at bankruptcy, which caused a lot of tension and stress, a lot of stress. Our first sigh of relief was when a banker recommended this person that may be able to help us. We fixed things in our business, we got the interest rates down, we could deal with that. And since then, we were able to get several additional loans. The biggest loan we had was a $475,000 truck. That was key for our industry. It's the wave of the future, and I would have never been able to do this before.
Here's the thing. This process I'm going to share with you is not about following some checklist that you find online. And it's unlike anything you're going to find at a business seminar or workshop. And it's not about trying to fool the bank by lying about your numbers. No shady workarounds, none of that. Instead, this process you're about to discover gets at the root cause of all your issues, shows you where you're falling short with your numbers, what needs to be done to change those numbers, and gets you on the fast track to getting it all resolved without putting you or your business at risk. So you get the money sooner rather than having to wait and hope things turn out for the best. So click the link below if you're on a desktop, or in the top right if you're in mobile, and you'll be brought to a page that looks like this, where you can enter your details and get instant access to a free training that shares this process in full. There's no reason for you to keep getting turned down, and there's no reason for you to give up on getting the best type of financing, because During this training, we're going to cover what this new and different process is and how you can use it based on where you are right now in your business. So click the link on your screen now to get started.